Have you ever wondered what your hair would say if it could talk? When you're happy, I dance in the wind. When you're anxious, I twist and tangle, and that's when I start to feel your stress. One by one, my companions begin to fall, quietly, helplessly. You think my falling is meaningless, but no. It's the result of a long and painful battle you never see. In my world, every hair follicle is a tiny, living factory. Inside, engineers plan growth, workers shape my strands, and tuners give me color. For years, this factory works tirelessly. 2 to 6 years of growth, a short rest, then renewal. This rhythm of creation keeps me strong, until the day the destroyer arrived. His name is Dihydrotestosterone, DHT. He invaded my world, breaking our system from within. He shortened my growth cycle from years to mere months, forcing me to fall before I was ready. He shrank my factories, lowered production, and one by one sealed my roots with fibrous cement, burying my chance to grow again. You tried everything, shampoos, tonics, nutrients, but those only clean the surface. It's like washing the outside of a broken factory, while the inside keeps collapsing. The truth is harsh. As long as DHT's attack never stops, resistance alone will never win. But today, there is hope. Science has found a key. According to top research from SAW, the secret weapon is 5% Minoxidil, the growth switch. It breaks through the fibrous seal, reactivates my factories, and reawakens every silent follicle. Each dormant root receives a new signal to grow. The assembly lines restart. Life begins again. But remember, the enemy never sleeps, and neither can your defense. Consistency is your greatest weapon. Daily care, steady treatment, and patience. That's how you win this war. I don't just grow on your head. I carry your confidence, your youth, your story. So please, fight for me, and I'll keep dancing in the wind for you.